Birds are amazing creatures, but did you know they can carry some seriously dangerous diseases? Some of these even affect humans. Stick around as we uncover the most common bird diseases, how they spread, and what you can do to prevent them. First up, avian influenza, also known as bird flu. This highly contagious virus spreads among wild and domestic birds, causing severe illness. In rare cases, it can jump to humans, leading to flu-like symptoms. Remember the big outbreaks? Yeah, it's a serious deal. Ever heard of Parrot Fever? Psittacosis is a bacterial infection that birds can pass to humans through their droppings or respiratory secretions. If you own a parrot, cockatiel, or budgie, proper hygiene is a must. Newcastle disease is another major concern. It mainly affects poultry, causing respiratory issues, tremors, and even sudden death. For farmers, this can mean huge losses. Next, Aspergillosis, a fungal infection that attacks birds' respiratory systems. It's caused by mold found in damp environments. So, if you keep birds, make sure their living space stays clean and dry. So, how can you protect your feathered friends and yourself? Here are some quick tips. Quarantine new birds before adding them to your flock. Keep cages, food, and water sources clean. Avoid direct contact with wild birds. Get regular checkups from an avian vet. Bird diseases are more common than you think. If you found this video helpful, hit that like button, subscribe to EcoZone for more educational content, and let us know in the comments, what's your favorite bird?